Hello everyone. Today we will learn some more exercise from chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers. On page number 20 and 21, jumping animal is given. Children, you can notice here one big snake is given and on it numbers 89 to 175 written on it. Gabru the deer, Bunny the rabbit and frog Taru. They are jumping on these numbers. Now let's see how they are jumping. So here it is given Gabru jumps on every seventh number. So where is Gabru? Gabru is here and he is starting from here from 90 numbers and he is jumped on every seventh number. So every seventh number if we will start from 90. Okay, so seventh number let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So his first jump is on 97. Once again he will jump 7 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It is given. Okay. So next he will jump on 104. Like that he is going on jumping on every seventh number 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Then once again he will jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this he is jumping on every seventh number. Again now Bunny. Bunny started jumping from 99 and Bunny jumps on every fifth number. He is jumped on every fifth number. So let's start from 99. Where is Bunny? Bunny is here and he is starting from 99 and every fifth number he is jumping. So let's see how he is jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here to here his first jump is on 104. Again he will jump 5 number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So next jump is on 109. Again he will jump 110, then 111, 12, 13 and 14. Again he will jump on this number. From here he will start. Then 5 number we can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On this number he will jump. Like this he will going on jumping. Now next we will see Taru. Taru starts jumping from 106. Where is Taru? Taru is here and from 106 he started jumping. How he is jumping? Taru jumps on every fourth box. Every fourth box he is jumping. Okay. So let's start from 106. From 106, 4 number 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is on 110. So he will start from here and he skip this many numbers and jump on 110. Again he will start from 110 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Then he will jump here on 104. Again he will start from here 114. Then 15, 115, 116, 117 and 118. He will jump on this number. Then Taru has to jump 4 number. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So on like this they are jumping. So let's write how they are jumping and skipping the numbers. First we will start from Gabru. I wrote here Gabru, Bunny and Taru. 3 friends. Okay. Gabru is jumping on every seventh number. He started from which number? He started from 90. Okay. So after 7 number, okay, it's 97. Then again 7 number he will jump 104. Okay. After 104, let's count 7 number 105, 106, 107. 108, 109, 110 and 111. 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So next jump will be on 104. 11. Now let's count again 7 number. 118. Next 125. Again we can count 7 numbers. Next jump on is on 132 and so on. So Gabru is jumping on these numbers. Now let's see the bunny. Bunny is jumping on every fifth number. He started from which number? He started from 99. So let's write first 99. Okay. Now after 5 numbers, he jumps on every fifth number. So after 99, next first jump is on 104. Next 104 plus 5 we can add. So it is 109. Again we can add 5 number. Okay, 114. Next 5 numbers, 115, 116, 117, 118 and 119. So write here 119, 124, 5 number 129, 134 and so on. Now see Taru. Taru jumps on every fourth number. From where he started? From which number? From 106. 106, from 106 he started, and after 4 number, okay, after 4 number it is 110, okay, 110 and 4, 114. This way also you can write, okay. Now again 4 number, 118, then 122. Children, you can notice here we learn 2 streak. Like there 4 streak also. In 4 streak, if we will jump every 4 number, if we start from even number, it will be even number only. And if we will start from odd number, it will be odd only. Okay. So 122 plus 4, 126. Again plus 4, 130. Again which number will come? 134. And so on. So Taru jumps on this number till 174. Now on page number 21, some questions are given. First, Bunny's 10 jump is on which number? Then Taru's 10 jump is on which number? And Gabru's 10 jump on will be on which number? So let's see how to see the 10th jump. First we will start from Gabru. Okay, Gabru started from 90. Okay, first jump, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. So Gabru's 10th jump is on 160. Bunny's 10th jump, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. So Bunny's 10th jump is on 149 and Taru's, okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. So it is on 146. So you can write in your textbook Bunny's 10th jump. Bunny's 10th jump on which number? We learn Bunny's 10th jump is on 149. So you can write here 149. Okay. Now Taru's 10th jump. Taru's 10th jump is on 146. So write in your textbook 146. And Gabru's 10th jump is on 160. Next question, Gabru and Bunny both jump on numbers. Gabru and Bunny दोनों एक साथ कौन से सेम नंबर पे जंप करते हैं? ओके, कौन से नंबर पे दोनों साथ में जंप करते हैं? सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट how they are jumping on same number. On which number they both will jump. So let's Gabru and Bunny, we have to check Gabru and Bunny first these two. Okay, same numbers कहाँ है? Okay, 104. So first circle on 104, same number. Okay, next same number कब कहाँ आता है? 109, 14. Okay, we have to find out the same number. Okay, 139. Gabru also jumping on this number and Bunny also. So circle on 139. Okay, here also you can circle 139. Next same number कहाँ आता है? Okay, it is on last 174. So Gabru and Bunny both will jump on 104, then 139 and last 174. So let's write in your textbook. 104 is given, so again 139 and 174. Now here find out Taru and Bunny jump on numbers. Now वैसे ही Taru and Bunny का सर्च करना है. Now find out, let's see, let's check Taru and Bunny दोनों कौन से नंबर पे साथ में जंप करते हैं. Okay, on which same numbers they are jumping, Bunny and Taru. So let's find out from here. 104, 10, 114. Bunny also jumping on 114 and Taru also. So we can make a square. 114, 114. Okay. Again, on which number? Same numbers we have to find out. 134, 134. So let's make a square on 134. Here also we can make a square. Okay. Now again, which same number? कौन से same number पे दोनों jump करते हैं? Yes, 154. Here also he is jumping on 154. Taru also jumping on 154. Again, which same number? At last 174, 174. Okay. So you can notice here Gabru, Bunny and Taru तीनों 174 पे साथ में जंप करते हैं. They three are jumping on this number. 174 पे गबरू भी जंप करता है, बन्नी भी जंप करता है और तरु भी जंप करता है. Now see, let's write in your textbook. Taru and Bunny jumps on which number? कौन कौन से नंबर पे जंप किया था? So first we'll start from 114. So write in your textbook 114, then 134, 154 and last 174. Is there any number where all the three of them jump? Okay, yes, we saw 174. The three of them jump on this number. Okay, guess who will finish in the least jump? Okay, कौन सबसे पहले जंप करता है? सबसे कम जंप में सबसे जल्दी पहुंचता है. Okay, you can see here Gabru. Gabru jumps on every 7th number. Bunny jumps on every 5th number and Taru is on every 4th number. So सबसे पहले कौन पहुंचता है? Yes, you can see here Gabru. Okay, Gabru finish in least jump. Okay, and guess who will finish? So we guess that Gabru. And in how many jumps? कितने jumps में Gabru finish करता है? यहाँ तक 10 था, 11 and 12. So Gabru will finish in 12 jumps. So let's write in your textbook. Okay, who will finish in the least jump? So let's write here Gabru. And in how many jumps? We counted in 12 jumps. He finished jumping. Okay, so students, you can write in your textbook. In the notebook also you can write like this. In notebook also you can write like this: Gabru, Bunny and Taru. Okay, write Gabru's every 7th jump, Bunny's every 5th jump and Taru's every 4th jump. Okay, now see the next page. Page number 22, class jump. Okay, jumps 2 steps, 10 steps. Okay, it is given. You did in your workbook also, so do it yourself. See the next page, page number 23. Okay, lazy crazy shop. This is the jungle shop. Lazy crazy gives things only in packets of tens, 100 and loose items. Now lazy crazy shops are there and some animals are buying the things. Find out how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal will take. Fill in the blanks. Now downside blanks are given. One example also given is here, rabbit. Okay, packets of 100, packets of 10 and loose item means we can see ones place, tens place and 100 place. Okay, so first we will start from elephant. 210. We can expand the form. Okay, you can read here 200, 1 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so 100 के कितने पैकेट्स है? 2 पैकेट्स. So write here 2. Okay, 10 के कितने पैकेट्स है? Only 1 tens. So we can write here 1 tens and 0 ones. यानी कि 100 के पैकेट्स 2 and tens के पैकेट 1 and loose item no loose items यानी 0. Monkey 242. So 200, 4 tens and 2 ones. How to write? Let's write in the blank. 200, 4 tens and 2 ones. So how we can read? 100 के कितने पैकेट्स है? 2 पैकेट्स. tens के कितने पैकेट्स है? 4 पैकेट्स. 4 tens. 4 के 10 पैकेट्स. ओके, tens के 4 पैकेट्स and 1 के 2 पैकेट्स. Now 552. So let's write in expanded form. 100 के 5 पैकेट्स, tens के भी 5 पैकेट्स and ones के लूज आइटम के 2 पैकेट्स. ओके, 500, 5 tens, 2 ones. लूज आइटम्स के 2 पैकेट्स, 10 पैकेट्स ऑफ 5. 10 के 5 पैकेट्स एंड पैकेट्स ऑफ 100 कितने हैं? 5. हंड्रेड्स के भी 5 पैकेट्स. सो यू कैन, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. ओके, it is only expanded form. See on the next page, page number 24. Okay, now lazy crazy are paying the money. Okay, how they are paying out? How they are paying? Notes are 100 के 1 notes, 10 की notes and coin of 1 rupees. So simply we can write here 100, tens and ones. 1 rupee का 1 coin, 100 10 rupees की 1 notes and 100 rupees की 1 note. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Now 420 rupees. 420. Simple. 400. Let's expand the form. 400, 2 tens and 0 ones. यानी how he will pay? How elephant will pay? 100 की कितनी notes देगा वो? 4 notes देगा. 100 की 4 notes. 10 rupees की, sorry, 10 rupees की 2 notes. So here 2 will come. So 2, 10 rupees की 2 notes and 0 means no coins. Okay, so he will pay 100 rupees 4 note and 10 rupees 2 notes. Now 143. Let's expand first. 100, 4 tens and 3 ones. Okay, so 1 रुपये के कितने कॉइन? 3 कॉइन्स. 1 रुपीज़ के 3 कॉइन्स यानी 3 रुपीज़. देन 10 रुपीज़ की 4 नोट्स. ओके, सो 40 रुपीज़ एंड 100 रुपीज़ की 1 नोट मीन्स 100 रुपीज़. सो इट इज़ 143 रुपीज़. 242. मंकी विल पे 242. हाउ ही विल गिव मनी? 100 रुपीज़ की 2 नोट्स. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट हियर, सॉरी आई मेड मिस्टेक हियर. 100, 100 रुपीज़ की 4 नोट, 100 रुपीज़ की 1 नोट एंड नाउ 100 रुपीज़ 2 notes. 2 notes of 100 rupees. So 200 rupees. 4 notes of 10 rupees यानी कि 40 rupees and 2 coins of 1 rupees. Okay, so 2 rupees. Okay, 1 के 2 coins यानी 2 rupees, 4 tens 40 and 2 hundreds. Okay, now 55 rupees. Dear is paying only 55 rupees. 55, there is no 100, only 55. So 0, 100 and 10 rupees की 5 notes and 1 rupees के 5 coin. Okay, 55, 5 ones and 5 tens, 55. Who am I? Match with the numbers. This you can do it yourself. Again on page number 25. How many are these? Okay, simply we can count. It is expanded form that we have to write in the figure. 100 rupees की 2 note यानी 200. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes of 10. So 4 tens and no 1. So 0. 240. Now see 100 rupees के कितने हैं? You can count how many hundreds? 1, 2 and 300. So already I written here 300. How many tens? 1 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 ones. So 319. Again, how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds, 1 tens and 2 ones. So 212. Now beads are there. Okay. hundreds की एक माला बनाई है. 100 beads यूज करके एक माला बनाई है. So 100. Okay. 10 beads यूज करके 3 माला बनाई है. So 3 tens and beads. How many beads are there? 8 beads. So 138. Next, 100 rupees की कितनी नोट है? 1, 2 and 3. So 300, 2 tens. Okay. And 0 ones. 1 rupee का कुछ नहीं है. So it is 320. Now next page, turn the page, page number 26. I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So, to remember their numbers, I did something like this. What he did? Count करने के लिए उसने क्या किया? So, he counted 1 star and kept 1. Okay? एक कार्ड बनाया और उसके पॉकेट में रखा for 1. So, ऐसे 1 है तो 2 ones, 2 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones यानी कि 5 stars. Okay? Now, लेकिन friends तो आते गए. He has so many friends. So when I had 10 cards, 10 cards of 1. So I changed it with these 10 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? 10 के 1. So instead of 10 card, I prepared one this card, square card. Okay, triangle for 1, square for 10. 1 tens. But my friends kept coming. बहुत सारे friends हैं मेरे तो. So I had to count more stars. My pockets were getting full. So when I had 10 cards like this, I changed it with the 100 cards. 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 के कितने cards है? 10. We already learned 10 tens. So it is 100. 10 tens यानी कि 100. Okay. So based on this, we will solve this exercise. Now, which card I will have in my pocket if I have counted up to? Okay. Now this is the expanded form. Okay. In short, this is the expanded form. One example is given. 19 यानी कि 1 tens 9 1. Okay. So they already run 1 10 and 9 1. 21 यानी कि बोलो तो 2 tens 1 1. Okay. 2 tens and 1 ones. 95. So कितने tens है? 9 tens and 5 ones. So I already wrote here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 tens and 5 ones. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then 201. 201. 100 के कितने हैं? 2. So 201. Now 260. So 100 के 2 cards. Okay, 10 के 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 cards of 10 and 0, 1. So no need to make a card. 300. यानी कि 100 के कितने कार्ड? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can write here 100 if you will not write, and instead of writing you can color it yellow, for one card blue and for 100 green. Now next 306. So how many cards of 100? Yes, 3 cards of 100 and 10s के कार्ड नहीं है, so we will not draw. and 1s के कितने कार्ड है? 6. so let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So rest of the things you can do it yourself. It's very easy and you like to do this exercise. And again last page of this chapter, page number 28. Write the answers in the blank. Okay, simple. One example is given. 10 के 2 cards. So 20, 2 tens, 20. Now how many tens are there? 1 and 2. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 26. Now 100. How many hundreds? 1, 2 and 3. So 300. And how many tens? Only 1 10. So 310. Here, how many hundred? 100. Tens, how many? 3 tens. And no one. So 0. Okay. Now see, how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 400. Here, how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3. 300. How many tens? 1 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. So 316. So like this you can solve this exercise here. So in your textbook, so many exercises are given. Fun with number, you can play these numbers. You can play and do the exercises with the fun. Okay. Now complete your workbook also and textbook also. In textbook and workbook, use pencil to write. If you are writing in the notebook, you can pen, no problem. You can practice with the pen. Okay. Thank you, students.